This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Price skimming is a marketing approach to pricing when a relatively high price is established based on the prices set by other competitors. These prices are acceptable only for target customers for whom the product is highly valuable and who will eventually buy it. When the market demand decreases, the price is lowered to attract other potential customers who are less interested in buying the product. Many companies apply this business strategy while introducing new products possessing unique benefits and functions. In the majority of cases, the firms use price skimming at the first stage of product penetration to reduce prices at later stages. Such a phenomenon is often called sliding down the demand curve. The approach is the most successful in case the newly integrated product is initially in high demand among the potential buyers. In this respect, a successful and consistent skimming strategy contributes to recovering the company's product development, as well as all costs, in an effective manner. Apple is the brightest and the most appropriate example of how a price skimming strategy can be used efficiently. Paying closer attention to pricing policies, the company also emphasizes customer expectations while establishing relatively high price levels for its new products. In 2007, Apple released the iPhone, the cost of which amounted to $599, which was $380 higher than the initial price of the product. As a result of this campaign, the company managed to bring in great revenues and meet customers' quality expectations. High demand was also due to Apple's respectable image, which also played a crucial role in pricing decisions. A significant price drop in 2 months allowed the company to recover its development costs because the newly presented product featured unique technological advances that had never been introduced before. Did you like this price skimming, Apple Company's example sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs without even having to register.